Hello everybody, welcome to this ICT Grade 9 learning session on Spreadsheet. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to use advanced formatting in Excel. We will focus on learning about conditional formatting. This video lesson will cover formatting in Excel, advanced formatting in Excel, the conditional formatting command, applying conditional formatting, removing conditional formatting. This will be followed by a quick test, and finally the lesson will end with a recap. Let us start the lesson by understanding what formatting in Excel means. Formatting refers to changing the appearance of cells like cell color, cell margins, etc. Let us have a look at the two worksheets. Both worksheets contain the same data, but the second worksheet has been formatted by changing colors, increasing the font size, using alignments, and also by using font style. Now let us see why advanced formatting is done in Excel. We perform advanced formatting to help users to focus on important parts of a worksheet. The following worksheet contains marks and the pass mark is 40. All cells having marks less than 40 have been highlighted. As you can see, cells B2 and D4 are highlighted as they contain values less than 40. Here, a conditional formatting command has been applied to the range of cells B2 to D4. This command will be covered in more details later in this lesson. Another reason why advanced formatting is performed is to graphically highlight important areas of a worksheet. We will see how when data changes, even the highlighted area changes. The value in cell D4 has been changed to 42. As the value is greater than 40, cell D4 is no more highlighted. One of the options of advanced formatting is the conditional formatting command. The conditional formatting command is a feature that lets you apply specific formatting to cells that meet certain conditions. Now students, we are going to see the steps to apply conditional formatting. First, open an existing worksheet. We want to know how many students obtain less than 50 marks. Next, select the range of cells B3 to B12. Then, select Home tab on the ribbon. Click on Conditional Formatting command in the Styles group. Select Highlight Cells Rules option, then select Less Than option. A dialog box will appear. Change the condition to 50. Then click the OK button. Cells containing values which are less than 50 will be highlighted. As you can see, cells B7, D11 and B12 are highlighted. Now, to remove conditional formatting, use the following steps. Select range of cells B3 to B12. Select Home tab on the ribbon. Then click on Conditional Formatting command in the Styles group. Next, select Clear Rules option and select Clear Rules from selected cells. Observe how the conditional formatting has been removed. Dear students, now let us watch a demonstration on how to apply conditional formatting. This worksheet contains marks for 10 students. Let us find out how many students scored more than 80 marks. To do that, we will apply conditional formatting. Select range of cells B3 to B12. Then, on Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting command in the Styles group. Select Highlight Cells Rules option. Then, select Greater Than option. A dialog box will appear. Change the condition to 80. Click the OK button. After applying the conditional formatting, we can see that 4 students obtained more than 80 marks. If we change the value in cell B5 to 86, we can see how the cell is automatically highlighted. This is because the value in the cell is more than 80. To use more options in the Highlight Cells rules, select the range of cells to be formatted and then on Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting command in the Styles group. Select Highlight Cells Rules option. Then other options like less than, between, equal to can also be used. Now, from the list of student names, let us apply duplicate values to see whether names have been repeated. Select range of cells D3 to D16. On the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting command in the Styles group. Select Highlight Cells Rules option. Then select Duplicate Values. Observe how the names Tommy Lee and Kavita Singh have been repeated. To get names that have not been repeated, select Unique Values. In this example, we will consider only the duplicate values. Therefore, again, select Duplicate Values option. Click the drop-down menu and select a different formatting. We will choose yellow fill with dark yellow text. Then click the OK button. Dear students, now you're going to see a demonstration on how to remove conditional formatting. To remove conditional formatting, select the range of cells B3 to B12. Then, select Home tab on the ribbon. Click on Conditional Formatting command in the Styles group. Select Clear Rules option. Select Clear Rules from selected cells. If you want to remove conditional formatting from the entire sheet, then select Clear Rules from the entire sheet. Observe how all formatting have been removed. This is the end of the demonstration. Now, let us do a quick test to evaluate what you have learned in today's lesson. Read the questions carefully. You will have about 3 seconds to answer. First question. Which of the following refers to changing the appearance of cells? Is it A. Formatting, B. Conditional formatting, or C. Alignment? The answer is A. In Excel, formatting means changing the appearance of cells such as cell color. Second question. With advanced formatting, users can focus on important parts of your worksheet. Is it true or false? It is indeed true, as advanced formatting helps users to focus on important parts of your worksheet. Next question. Which feature allows you to apply specific formatting to cells that meet certain criteria? Is it A. Formula, B. Conditional formatting, or C. Formatting? The answer is B. Conditional formatting is applied to cells that meet certain criteria. Next question. Which highlight cells rules have been applied on the following worksheet? Is it A. Greater than, B. Duplicate values, or C. Between? The answer is B. Duplicate values. Last question. Conditional formatting command can be accessed from the Formula tab. Is it true or false? The answer is false, as the conditional formatting can be accessed from the Home tab. Well, this is the end of our quick test. I hope you have been able to get all the correct answers. Now it's time for a recap of today's lesson. Formatting refers to changing the appearance of numeric and text formats. Advanced formatting helps users to focus on important parts of your worksheet. With advanced formatting, when data changes, so does the highlighted area. Conditional formatting allows you to apply specific formatting to cells that meet certain criteria. Dear students, we have reached the end of today's lesson. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. It's goodbye from me and see you soon.